Well, hello. Another real estate ride along with my favorite guest of all times, my mom. So we went to lunch today, and I thought this was too good not to share. She brought with her some quotes that she thought that I should have in my life right now. Mom, would you do us a favor and share with my audience the quotes that you brought with you today?
Growing up, David always loved quotes, so I've given him a few to consider. One is WIN, and to take each of those letters and consider what's important now. Another one, and some of you may laugh about this with David, is WAIT, WAIT, and each letter stands for why am I talking?
What are you saying, that I talk a lot? I like that one a lot.
Why am I talking? WAIT.
Wait.
A third one, a little more seriously, deals blowing out someone else's candle doesn't make yours shine any better.
I love that. That's a good one. In a very competitive business like mine, I find that there's drama and cattiness, and there's no need for it.
Okay, and the last one kind of has a real estate bent onto it. Success isn't owned, it's leased, and rent is due every day.
Every day, rent is due. Great. Mom, thanks for lunch. I love you very much. Thanks for joining me on my real estate ride along. I'll always have your quotes with me and put up on my wall at my office. Anything else you want to say?
I'm happy to be your mom.
Oh, that's nice. Said like a mom.
Exactly.
See ya. Have a good day. Hopefully those quotes mean something to you as well. Bye-bye.